In today's video, I'll show you how you can change the song name in Suno AI. So let's get started. First of all, you want to go here into your account in suno.com, and now you want to go into the create section. And in here, you'd be able to see all the songs that you have created here on the right side. And you just simply need to hover your cursor here over to the title. And on the right side of that, you should see this button. It says edit title. Just click on it. And from here, it will now prompt you and make the title editable. And just type in the title that you'd want it to be changed in. So let's say that I would want it to be sample title. And now you can press enter and it will now be saved just like that. And now we now have our brand new title. You can also do the same thing when you go here into library. So you'll just also see all the songs in here and basically do the same thing for the other songs if you would want to. And that's it on how you'd be able to change song name in Suno AI.